Hi everyone, welcome back to Social English. My name is Simi. In today's video, we'll be talking about three important grammar concepts in English, which is used to, get used to, and be used to. These concepts can be very challenging, but do not worry because by the end of this video, you're gonna become a pro. So let's start. Used to is used to talk about past habits or situations that no longer occur anymore. Notice the spelling of used to. However, we do not say used to. We say used to. So in a positive sentence, remember, it is written as used to. Now, let's see how used to can be used in different tenses. Used to can only be used in past tense statement. For instance, I used to go bowling. I used to attend Pilates class back at high school. I used to go surfing. I used to learn English, but I no longer do it anymore. Next, we have get used to. It describes the process of becoming familiar with something new. For example, I'm getting used to my new job. It means I am in the process of getting familiar with my new job. Or I'm getting used to waking up early. This means that I am in the process of getting used to this new habit of mine. Get used to can be used in different tenses. It can be used in the past tense, the present tense, as well as the future tense. Let's have a look at the examples on the screen. I got used to the cold weather. This is a past tense statement to say that you became familiar with something in the past. I'm getting used to my new job. I'm still in the process of getting used to the new job. You'll get used to the noise. I'm not used to the noise yet, but maybe in 5 months or in 4 years, I'll get used to it. But for now, I'm not familiar with it. It's unusual. It's a new thing for me. Finally, let's talk about be used to. This phrase explains that you are familiar with something because you've experienced it before. It's not an unusual experience for you, and it's not a new thing. Be used to describes a state and not the process. For example, I'm used to eating spicy food. This means that spicy food is nothing unusual to me, neither am I surprised about it, because I'm used to eating spicy food all my life and I have the experience it takes. Let's talk about other ways be used to can be used in different tenses. He is used to working hard. He was used to living alone. They'll be used to the new rule. Now, let's practice. I'll give you some sentences. All you have to do is to fill in the blanks with either used to, get used to, or be used to. Number 1. I play the guitar, but now I don't. Do we use used to, get used to, or be used to? The correct answer is I used to play the guitar, but now I don't. Remember, used to is used to talk about past habits or situations. Playing guitar was a past habit, but now this person is no longer doing this activity or they probably lost interest. 2. She, the heat after living in the desert for 2 years. Amazing. Got used to indicates the process of becoming familiar with the heat. Number 3. They, waking up early for the past month. Good job. The correct answer is they have been getting used to waking up early for the past month. Remember, used to is used to talk about past habits or situations that no longer occur anymore. Get used to is used to talk about the process of becoming used to something new or something unusual, while be used to is used to talk about being familiar with something that is no longer new or unusual to you. If you find this video useful, do not forget to give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe for more grammar tips. Goodbye, and I'm gonna see you next time. See ya!